Police are hunting a trio who viciously bashed a man at Moorabbin Train Station early on New Year's Day. Here's Michelle Zidauer.
The 33-year-old man was targeted by two men and a woman at 1 in the morning. They followed him from the platforms onto a concourse. The victim was bashed in the head and upper body. As he staggered from the scene, the group returned and attacked him again in Station Street. The same group was later spotted at Chelsea Station. Police say they have very good CCTV footage of the offenders, all are Caucasian and in their early 20s. Michelle Zidauer, Melbourne.